Blood pressure is the force at which blood pumps from the heart into the arteries. When blood pressure is high, the blood moves through the arteries more forcefully. This increases pressure on the delicate tissues in the arteries and damages the blood vessels. The American Heart Association, AHA, defines a blood pressure reading of less than 120/80ths of a millimeter of mercury, mmHg, as normal. While medications can help lower high blood pressure, various changes you can make at home can also reduce it. 1. Hydration and reduce sodium. Day 1. Drink at least 8 glasses of water to flush out excess sodium. Avoid processed foods. Opt for fresh veggies, fruits, and lean proteins. Try herbal teas like hibiscus, known to lower BP. 2. Increase potassium-rich foods. Potassium balances sodium. Eat bananas, spinach, and beans. Aim for 3,500 to 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily. 3. Daily 30-minute walk. Exercise strengthens your heart. Brisk walking is perfect. Consistency is key. Even 30 minutes helps. 4. Stress management, deep breathing and meditation. Asterisk. Stress spikes BP. Try 5 minutes of deep breathing. 4-7-8 technique. Meditation apps like Headspace can help. 5. Cut caffeine and alcohol. Too much caffeine raises BP. Switch to decaf or green tea. Limit alcohol to 1 drink per day or less. 6. Garlic and beetroot powder. Garlic relaxes blood vessels. Add it to meals. Beetroot juice boosts nitric oxide, improving blood flow. 7. Sleep and consistency asterisk. Poor sleep raises BP. Aim for 7-8 hours nightly. Asterisk. Repeat these habits beyond 7 days for lasting results.